Hello and welcome to the HardReset YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to clear your browsing history in Google Chrome. So the first thing you have to do is to, of course, open your Chrome browser. And now click on these three dots located in the top right corner of your browser. Hover over the History option and choose the first position from the list, which says History. Okay, great. After that, you have to click on this Clear Browsing Data button located on the left. Here, you have to choose the time range of your history, which you want to be cleared. And now if you're done, just click the Clear Data button. Great, now you know how to clear Chrome browser history. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a great day.